Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today we are going to bring this restaurant home by making this tandoori chicken, and I'm not using the oven or griller here. We are simply going to make it in a pan. So stay tuned for this recipe and let's check out how I marinated this. Alright, so I washed this leg piece in deep cuts or gashes. So get a sharp knife and keep the cuts like this. Like around 7 to 8 on both the sides. Okay, so let's get our first layer of marination ready. So I'm squeezing some lemon juice. This is almost one large lemon, because I have 8 full leg pieces, so I need more quantity. I'm adding half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and I have grated this ginger garlic, green chili and coriander paste. So make sure you have the fresh ginger garlic paste because that gives a beautiful flavor. So I'll be adding about 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So that's our first layer going on the chicken leg piece. So make sure whatever cuts that we made, this masala goes in those cuts. Here you go, my basic marination is done now. I will keep this in the fridge covered for about 1 hour. If you can do it for a few hours, that would be great. And let's get started with the second layer of marination. Alright, so for my second set of marination, I have these ingredients. So I have taken about 8 tablespoons of yogurt, and I hung it overnight. So this is a hung yogurt, and here are some dry spices. I have 1 tablespoon of besan, which is gram flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala. If you do not have, you can simply add coriander and cumin powder and red chili powder instead. This is 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of crushed fenugreek leaves. So I'm going to mix everything well and apply it to our chicken. Alright, so this is the marination. I'm adding some food color. It is totally optional if you want that red restaurant style effect to your tandoori. You can do that. And I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, or if you do not have mustard oil, you can add any oil for that matter. Alright, so my first layer of marination is done, or 3 hours. You can now apply rub this second layer. I made it so thick because it's okay. All the spices are going to just be on the leg piece, and it's gonna taste so good, guys. Alright, so after this second layer of marination is done, we are going to keep this for about 1 to 2 hours, and the longer you keep, the better it tastes. So it depends on how much time you have in hand. You can, like, at the minimum you should keep it for half an hour, but yeah, 2 hours sounds good to me since I have time. So that's it for now. We'll check it out later. Alright guys, so my chicken is well marinated now for more than 12 hours because I did it overnight marination. So this is looking good. I'm not using oven here. I'll show you. If you do not have oven, you can simply get the skillet. You can use non-stick pan. I have used this cast iron heavy bottom pan. So added 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add some salted butter. I love my Amul butter, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Amul butter here. Gives beautiful flavor to our chicken. Alright, so turn the heat to medium high. And let's start adding our marinated chicken. And after 5 to 7 minutes, just turn it around and look at the beautiful color. I am burning some coal just to get that smoky flavor. Alright guys, we are almost done. So I have this deep pot here. I'm just going to add all these tandoors. We have ready. We are just alright, so all my tandoors are ready. We are just going to give that a big smoky flavor. So add some oil to the coal and just keep it covered. Weight on it so that the smoke doesn't get released. So that's going to give us that nice smoky tandoor flavor where we always have it in a restaurant. So that's the trick, guys. If you have a coal, just burn it on a gas and pour some oil, and that's it. The smoke will release into each piece of tandoori chicken, and that's it. So I'll leave it for about 5 minutes, and then these tandoori chickens are ready to serve. And look at this, guys. Do we even need tandoor grill or any oven? Simple, easy pan fry or pan tandoor is right here. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous cooked pieces, and isn't that amazingly done? I have added some salad here, which is cut onion, lemon and coriander with some chaat masala on it. Sprinkle some chaat masala on the top of these leg pieces as well if you would like. And of course, if you like this recipe, please hit that big thumbs up button, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.